I am Dr. Sarah Vivona, and I'm a nutritionist and a chiropractor at Integrative Health and Wellness Center. Designed Clinical Nutrition is a non-invasive system to determine the underlying causes of your ill health. The actual procedure is very direct and simple, using your body for all the information and feedback needed. We are testing your neurological reflexes, as your nerves control every organ, gland, joint, and muscles that you have. During your examination, your doctor will be contacting your extended arm with one hand and a specific organ or area with another. We are looking for a change in the strength in your extended arm. If the tested organ or area is sick or stressed, your extended arm will weaken. Why? Because your body knows it's more important to save or support that organ than the little muscle in your arm. This is similar to hypothermia. If you fall through the ice, your body will immediately look out for the parts that it cannot live without. This is why hypothermia always affects your fingers, your toes, and your arms and your legs first. You can live without an arm, but you cannot live without a heart. Once your doctor has figured out the areas on you that are stressed, he or she will create a designed clinical nutrition program for you. Designed because it's prepared especially for you, clinical, pertaining to the clinical results from a multitude of patients, and nutrition, real food as found in nature to enable your body to heal itself. There has been a drastic decline in the quality of food over the last 70 years, resulting in a nation of sick people dependent on pharmaceutical drugs. Your body's health is founded on nourishment found in our soils, which until recently didn't include heavy metals, toxic chemicals, or pesticides. Our current food condition makes it next to impossible to provide all the nutrients you need to heal your body, let alone maintain health. Your program will match your exact needs by working closely with your diet and providing your body with concentrated whole food supplements. These supplements are made from organically grown foods that are prepared in such a way that preserves their vital enzymes and nutrients. Through your program, you will most likely notice positive changes in the first 4 to 6 weeks. The sooner and more fully you implement your program, the sooner you'll see results. A personalized nutrition plan designed specifically for you increases your chances of success. After all, your body has the full potential to heal itself if given the right nutrients. To get started today, contact us or visit our website at www.ihwcenter.com.